just because from the email chain that he's replied to, it looks like it's
Welcome back to One More Report Analysis Videos with me, which is Market Analyst at Antic Markets on Wednesday, 1st of March. Looking at Eurodollar, and this dollar strength has started to drag Eurodollar lower again. You see these sort of candles in the last few days, basically consolidation moves. You saw the initial sort of move to the upside, long upside shadows, and that suggests that the market sort of failed with those breaks, failed to sort of confirm the break of that downtrend, and the market has fallen away again today. The momentum indicators are negatively configured. RSI that moves below 40, you'd certainly suggest that is getting sort of towards levels at which you'd be sort of thinking about a breakdown of that support at 104.90. It's only sort of 40 or so, 40-50 ticks away from where we are now. I think the fact that we've broken back below the lows of this week at 105.50, that is also a negative factor. You can see that here on the hourly chart, whereby that 105.50 support has been breached, and we're sort of moving now into negative configuration on the hourly RSI, on the MACD lines, and stochastics are negative as well. So you're selling into strength really on this move. You'd say 105.50 up towards that reaction high, 105.90, probably a fairly decent sort of sell zone now, and you've got that resistance in place at 106.30, which has been hit on a couple of occasions, so obviously that is fairly strong, or strengthening at least. I think it retested that 104.90 level, as I said on the daily chart. 104.90 is this low here. I think that's going to be seen, and to be honest, I think it's likely to be continuing to track lower. It's now, as I said, sort of following on from this breakdown of the support of 105.77 that we had over these January lows. It sort of is all part of this sort of topping process and sell-off process that I think ultimately will be testing 104.50, that reaction low, and ultimately 103.40, which is the key low from January. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.